I'm gonna start with moisturizing my skin, and I'm using this Biotique Morning Nectar lotion. It's a morning lotion, but still I'm gonna use it in the evening because it really does hydrate my skin and I love the texture. I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation. It's in the shade Desert Beige. The thing about this foundation is that it has a brush.
I think fingers are the best blenders, so do not rub or spread the foundation, just pat it there to get a good coverage.
To conceal my eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's in the shade Medium.
I'm gonna prime and apply
And also applying it to few of my dark spots. The Maybelline Superfish Compact. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and set my eyes and the whole face. Okay, I'm using the Sivanna Ultra Pro palette. I'm using this light brown shade. I'm gonna apply it on my crease.
Keep blending it on the crease line until you get a softer edges. Apply this golden shade on the inner eyelid. a darker brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. Skipping the eyeliner in this look and going for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It's a party look, I want my highlighter to last longer, so I'm using a lip balm. You can use any clear lip balm or Vaseline. Apply the lip balm just like you're applying your highlighter. Now apply the highlighter on the lip balm. You can see it sticks so well, and then blend it with your fingers. For the lipstick, I'm using a bright red shade. It's from Sugar, Nothing Else Matter Me range. Yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, share and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.